Good morning and welcome, guys, to my recovery. This morning, I would really just like to say that what is the worst for me in my recovery. When I got clean, I started noticing that my speech had slowed a lot. It's so slow. My my brain is super fast, but my words it just can't come out, and when they do, they don't come out right. So I thought to myself that if I don't do something about it, it won't change. So as a kid, I always did these puzzles and things. So I got myself these words puzzles and Sudoku and things like that, just to see that my brain improves a little bit. So the worst thing for me in my recovery is these migraines, because you can't actually walk. It worsens them. You you basically bedbounded, and that's not nice. And then the other thing I've noticed in my recovery, but it did heal now recently, was the fact that my brain didn't tell me when I wanted to go to the toilet. My body did. I would feel my bladder hurt, and then I know I want to go and pee. Or if I want to go and do number two, I would feel these awful stomach cramps that would just be like pouring down the sweat next to when my stomach cramp and I feel these cramps on my stomach, and then afterwards the sweat drips down my face and pours down my face, then I know, okay, that's number two now. So, yeah, obviously there is some brain damage going on there, but I'm not going to let that get me down. It's just making me a stronger person. How do you expect if you died so many times? Nearly died so many times.